Hey, Paul here with the VIP Home Team, coming to you with a quick question. What's better than living in a golf course community? Well, living in one that lets you make money while you're at the beach. That's right. Say hello to 1309 Rebecca Drive, your new Florida favorite. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath beauty sits in the guard-gated Southern Dunes Golf and Country Club. And yes, it is short-term rental approved. Perfect as your next home, vacation getaway, or a cash-flowing Airbnb. Minutes from Disney, shopping, and the best golf swings you'll pretend you meant to do. Homes like this, they don't last very long. And if you're like me, neither will your golf balls. So come on in, let's take a look at the inside of this home, or if you want a private tour, reach out. We would love to help you. If you're watching this on a reel or short, look for a description in the description below and get the link to the full video. But otherwise, come on with me, let's go inside and take a tour.